Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with YWigs. Alright, so this is a package, a drawstring bag which is branded. So let's go ahead and get into it. So today I have two things that I really want to focus on with you guys. Alright, I only got those two wigs and then I got two clips, so you could go ahead and use this for styling purposes. So that's everything in the drawstring bag. Okay, so now let's get into it. The first thing is a Braided hat wig from YWigs. Guys, I'm mind blown. Never had one of these before. It's the first time bringing one of these on my channel. Yeah, I love how I've been switching it up for you guys. But look at this. Isn't this just top tier convenience? You ever just came out of your ear and get for your ear in time and you need something like this? Look at the construction, just look at it. So they bounded the braids on the inside of the hat and it looks so realistic. Nobody would know that your hair is not like in a really nice neat braided style because it is done so well and secure. So I just go ahead and slip that on. It's literally that. This takes absolutely no time and no finessing. All you need to do is adjust it to your head size. So just like a regular hat. You literally just loosen the back there and you tighten it to as tight as you want it to be. That's it. That's all. The braids look full. Very trendy. Okay, very trendy. Look at that. Guys, immediately I was like, yeah, this is my new everyday wig. What? Of course, when I'm in like a braided vibe. This is my new everyday wig. I could go ahead and put it in a ponytail like this. I'm going to put the specific density, well, the specific length down below and like the amount of strands and all the specifications will be listed. But it's so full and luscious and it's soft. It's soft and nice. They did their big one on this. Now this is the second item I wanted to show you guys. This is the braids band. So this, unlike the cap, this is just a band with braids attached to it. It's literally, it's adjustable. So all I do is I go ahead and just, you know, attach that onto my head comfortably, however tight I want that to be. Now with this, you can be a little bit more flexible, unlike the other one that a hat is already confined to. You could go ahead and switch it up. You could put a different kind of hat on. You could switch hats up for days. So like here, I went ahead and put on a bucket hat and that's just so cute, isn't it? Yeah. With me, right off the bat, I knew that one would be like a road wig, like I'd wear that on the road, and like this one I could wear in the house. So you know, so you're gonna see further down because I made sure to wear this out for you guys. I wanted to show you guys like the different settings that you could definitely wear this wig in. You don't have to be afraid. Look at that. Look at that. And it's very secure in my head, so you don't have to be afraid. It's not gonna like, you know, it's not gonna pull from the Velcro and fall off your head. Let me go ahead and get into me wearing this out. So you guys know I live in the gym all day every day. So yeah, you know it's a no-brainer. I'm definitely gonna be wearing my hat wig to the gym. Look at that. Nobody knew. And can you believe I got compliments? Yeah. You know, it's summertime and everybody love a nice braided style. Look at that. I just put it in a ponytail just like I showed you guys earlier on. It is so convenient. And then now I'm at home. Okay, I'm gonna prepare a meal, but guess what? I'm wearing the braids band, not the hat, not the braids hat. So you see the convenience? All I did was I put a scarf on here. Because who's gonna wear a hat in the house, right? Yeah, you want a cute little scarf. So like right now I'm on a video call. So these are little things that this comes in so handy for. Like it is such a lifesaver. And as I said, this is not going to fall off your head that easily. Like it's very secure. Like somebody would definitely have to be tussling with you and tagging at you. Like, you know, they want to pull your head off, but it's super secure. So, you know, after wearing it, you know, out and about, you know, it needs some refreshing. So you could definitely go in, get your spray bottle with whatever you want to put in there. You could use conditioner with water, whatever it is. And I'm just getting my brush to unravel that and kind of just refresh those curls. This is game changer. YWigs did their big one on this. I 10 out of 10 recommend. Who would have thought? I love how I can give you guys so much variety. Tell the truth. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this one here today, because I was so excited to bring this to you. So excited. It's definitely something different. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this down below in my description box. So if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself, you could go ahead and do that. You know, shout out to YWigs. They came through. All right, but yeah, that's it for today's wig look. A very quick, convenient wig look. Yeah, that's how it looks once everything is refreshed, just like brand new. But yeah, that's it. That's all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.